Merienda kami di nyanaga na ito
Mami,
pipian. Ne. This is pipian, guys. Ayan, di ko alam kung marunong kayo ang pipian na sinasabi. Ayan o, merienda kami. It's a rice, ne. Ala, they calling pipian, ne. It's like Ayan si Alex.
If it's like a skull,
Ito naman si Arian. Lakat si Arian.
Do we have
Pare na karek like Arian. Hiyak kay karek.
Do we have lime?
Okay. Meron ka itong kalamansi doon, ano?
Damo na dabo na.
Apuin hitora.
Then I don't taste.
Hi.
I want more than. I don't taste it.
May yapam tatang agore may to. Umay to.
Oh, butterfly.
Dati na lang na ika na tatlong puso. Ang alamok yan.
Which smells like dog hair? Which smells like dog hair? Hi, doggies. It's definitely not them.
Then the animal hide was cut into strips, and men would run through the streets, striking.
It smells like Ariana.
This is rice.
We have little.
No, I don't like
Much. I don't know, little man.
very maasim.
Sour.
Very sour. This is not even sour, but okay.
Masakyan din di po ito ng kalito. Kita ka katitisukan niya. Gusan niya.
They need to get rid of your built-in and pour it back into the pan. Pour it back. We can add ingredients. What am I doing in life? First add butter. Add like butter to get healthy. Next up is your salt. Next up is my salt. Then add milk, some greens.
Ano mo pala sa
This is my last.
sayang mo.
Mix it until you get a smooth and creamy texture.
Kuna na awama ni mama nga mang dibado ko. Nakadubado kita ko. Kadubado kita, bado ko ang tulad sa dibado ko.
This is officially the hottest food argument can ever make. Did you know you don't need potatoes to make that?
Yan.
What do you let these Roblox YouTubers babysit your kids?
Among neta sa malunggay.
With kids, honestly. I mean, with a mustache like that, how could you say no? No, definitely not. In fact, they need babysitters themselves. Yeah. I mean, he's already a dad with 2 kids, right? So he's definitely qualified. Sketch is fun. Probably the funniest Roblox YouTuber. I feel like he'd be the kid's favorite babysitter. Nick Noodles, yes.
Can you give me the bed?
Watching this video, so he essentially raised me. Sure, you can raise my kids. But even an adult, do you have to be an adult? Be a
I got the big
babysitter? I
one.
actually don't know. You do not pay me enough money.
It's big. It's like half of the
I
plate.
feel like Lana would be a good babysitter. What do you let these Roblox YouTubers babysit?
May mesa.
This is flour.
I feel like the entire crew would be good with kids, honestly.
Which one?
I mean, with a mustache.
No.
What is it?
Flower ka na.
It's
Malunggay yan.
The malunggay leaf. That we are
Leaves ng malunggay.
Is it like cinnamon?
no. It's a leaf.
Dua makanan.
It's a leaf.
Yeah. Nagadupikinan na tatay nga malunggay. When man, please.
What is 7-Up?
I don't think so. You want to drink or water, Ariana? What do you want?
She has Pepsi. Oh, ew, what's that?
Ay nako guys. Dito ay magse-7 up ako.
Is there more bread?
Magre-drinks ako.
Oh.
Pag uuwi na kami sa Pilipinas sa Greece, wala.
There
Hindi
is
kami.
7-Up in Greece.
I know.
Then what are you talking about?
No, because I'm not drinking soft drinks, Alex. In Greece, that's why. Here I drink.
Water. Ew. Water? Ito pala. Es the Greece. Almost ant.
Oh my.
Tiyan.
Ayan, tapos na kami si tatay, ayaw pang, nagduduyan pa siya. Doon, oh. Yun ang duyan niya. Yan ang gusto kong ipagawa dito, guys. Yung extend ko sa likod ng bahay ko. Gusto kong palagyan ng extend. Gagawin kong mas maganda. Para parang salas dito. And then, ito naman ang...
Lalabog ng gano'n. Tumabog sa ulo mo.
I don't care. Tapos dito naman ang aming lamesa, lababo dyan.
Tumabog sa ulo mo.
Tapos
What
gagawin ko
does
dyan
it
yung
say?
parang salas, tambayan namin dito sa labas.
Can you translate?
Kasi napaka ganda ang hangin dito, guys, kaysa sa loob. Ang hirap magtambay sa loob.
Hoy, puyutin na na Jacob. Baga, what did he say? Lola daw. Puyutin na di kay Jacob.
You look like you're drinking alcohol.
Oh.
Look,
May
Gumi.
gusto kanya na, oh.
Pipe?
Sige, baga, what did he say? Wala na, daba ibaga man.
Translate mo ang tita.
Oh.
Because you drinking with the air, with the Pepsi.
Pinupuyo na lang na di pisina, sumamog